I am about to walk into... Got a little surprise for you. You all know about the reliable workhorse, the Epson F2100. Now let's take a look at the all-new redesigned Epson F2270. The F2270 incorporates the new micro TFP printhead, delivering higher quality print output and nozzle verification technology to optimize printhead performance. Perfectly designed for white ink printing, allowing for even faster speeds of up to 15% with white ink and 25% faster with color ink only. Updated auto cleaning targets only nozzles that need cleaning, saving ink and time, and the new 4.3-inch touchscreen makes operation fast and intuitive. The redesigned body has a flat top that fits into smaller spaces, and the fully transparent lid and internal light allow for easy viewing of print status. The guts have been upgraded. The F2270 is now sealed internally with functionality upgrades to the pump cap assembly, allowing for increased reliability and auto maintenance effectiveness. The F2270 uses DT2 Ink Pouches, upgraded to 800 milliliters from 600, meaning lower change frequency and less waste. DT2 Ink Pouches have 2 filters built in, and they cost less per milliliter than the previous generation. The printhead carriage automatically adjusts for minor changes to garment imperfections, while still allowing for manual adjustments for thicker garments. This is a big upgrade as operator downtime is significantly reduced for minor shirt imperfections, all while maintaining outstanding print quality. The Platen mount has the same dimensions as the F2000 and F2100, so all of your Platens are interchangeable. The new, more compact and space-friendly design maximizes efficiency for multiple units. The F2270 is meant to work alone or in tandem with multiple units ran by a single operator. Like the F2100, the F2270 is ideal for DTG and DTFilm printing. Paired with DTFilm accessories, the F2270 is the perfect blend of both DTG and DTFilm printing. Contact the industry experts now at Melco International to order your Epson F2270.